Hello everyone, the topic of today's video is how you can easily turn off the private account option on TikTok. First and foremost, you will need to go into the TikTok application. I will then proceed to enter the TikTok app. Then I will proceed to access the three dot button. Then I will proceed to click on the settings and privacy option. Alright, so first what we're going to do is go into the privacy option, and then right here you'll see where it says private account. So we'll just go ahead and switch this particular option on. After the private option has been activated, your TikTok account will be made private. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel right away, and to ensure that you receive all our future videos before anyone else, please don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Thank you so much.